Hi, I'm Jacob Lovin, Regional Engineer from McWane Ductile supporting the Western United States. As Regional Engineer, I combine my technical expertise with effective communication to support our customers. We collaborate to provide technical support, training for our customers and staff, problem solving, and to build iron-strong relationships. We offer product recommendations, consultation, and customized solutions to ensure customer satisfaction and successful project completion. Bridging the gap between engineering and sales starts with building strong relationships by establishing trust, having open communication channels, and by coordinating scheduled meetings and conference calls. Other ways that we bridge the gap include collaborative problem solving, joint customer visits, mutual goal setting, and most importantly, seeking feedback for continuous improvement. Regional engineers help customers evaluate McWane Ductile's products based on objective criteria. We do this by providing product information and specifications such as performance data, test results, case studies, life cycle cost, and comparative analysis. At McWane Ductile, we use specific tools such as Microsoft Teams for coordinating meetings and educational opportunities. Another valuable tool is the McWane Pocket Engineer. This versatile desktop and mobile app allows us to share product information between engineers and customers quickly. Regional engineers educate customers on product features through technical presentations at trade shows or at your location, training workshops, on-site demonstrations, providing digital resources, and continuous communication with your team. Visit McWaneDuctile.com to find your local sales representative and regional engineer. And always remember, work hard, work smart, and work safe.